guys, good morning, it's me Luis. This one is a 2021 Chevy Spark. We put a new glass, somebody broken, use a rock to hit it and broken. So we're replacing it. Sorry about that. We put some cover here, we take the glass in the middle. This one only is clips, the panel, clips, nothing difficult. We got 10 millimeters for the spoiler over here. Nothing else. Outside is very nice. It's at post age, so just careful in this area. I have a couple of scratches here, but it's nothing I can do. So we're gonna work. Remember, what I don't like in this one is all these glasses inside. It's something I don't like it, but it's something we cannot stop these glasses go to the inside the panel. Okay, remember, we're gonna take this guy out. Okay, let me just get this one, but I don't want to put any marks, so that's why I try to do with plastic, but it's not gonna work. Slowly, without making any mark. This plastic is easy to mark and it's sliding this way. Okay, don't break this guy, okay, or you're gonna loosen. And I know people use urethane, but don't do it. Remember, no marks, just really slow at this point, and that's all. Okay, now we have access to the bolts. Down a little bit. All right, now got 4 more. This one. Alright, and that's all. Now we're gonna remove this guy. This is the access for the wires. Let me see if I can just let in on this part. You see, it's coming out by itself. Okay, and pop. And that's all. You see those clips right there? Don't break it, okay? This is brand new, so it's really easy. When it's older, let's see what happens with those clips. Alright, so we got the plugs. We can take this one out. And my connection is inside, of course. Let me disconnect this guy. There you go. Alright, and that's all. And we can lay this guy here, safe, with no scratches. Now remember, this part, don't worry about that if you, in case you make any scratch for accident, but careful on the bottom because it's exposed edge on the bottom on the bottom of the glass, so it's, you just screw it up with the scratches. Probably you can use universal molding to finish, probably over here. Now, I got a couple of scratches made by the hits before when they broken, but I can do it to cover. I can put a universal molding like the PUM7, and that's it. And I can make something looks better if I got bigger scratches, but something here is nice now, so we don't have to do that. All right, so I'm gonna get this guy clean up, and see you in the next shot. We're gonna finish the job before we get a rain. It's coming, it's coming. Yep. We finished. Okay, so remember, it's the same part number, DB12724, the same like the 2019, 2021. So no big deal. Okay guys, we finished. Remember, this one we're gonna finish easy. Use bolts back in, antenna, wiper, remember the covers. This one, my recommendation is careful, don't make any marks or break it, because I saw last time before this model in 19, I saw a guy put a urethane, and it's really difficult to remove these things with urethane. you gotta break it. Okay guys, so thanks so much for watching. See you in the next shot because we got more work to do. Back glass for the Chevy Tahoe, Yukon, but you know that. So we got a rain coming. Okay guys, thanks so much. See you next shot. Let's go.